Imagine a future where we can rewind the clock on aging at a cellular level. Scientists have made a groundbreaking discovery that could revolutionize healthcare, a way to effectively recharge aging human cells. This involves replacing their internal powerhouses, the mitochondria. But how does it work? Let's dive in. As we age, the mitochondria in our cells, those tiny energy factories, naturally decline in number, slow down, and wear out. This decline can contribute to various diseases, affecting everything from the heart to the brain. In a recent study, researchers from Texas A&M University used special, flower-shaped particles called nanoflowers. These nanoflowers are designed to scavenge damaging oxygen molecules. This process triggers genes that increase the number of mitochondria in human stem cells. And this is the part most people miss. These energy-boosted stem cells can then share their mitochondria with old and damaged neighboring cells. It's like a battery swap, allowing cells that have stopped functioning to get back to work. We have trained healthy cells to share their spare batteries with weaker ones, explains biomedical engineer Akhilesh Gaharwar. By increasing the number of mitochondria inside donor cells, we can help aging or damaged cells regain their vitality without any genetic modification or drugs. The nanoflowers, made from molybdenum disulfide, have tiny holes that act like sponges, soaking up stressful reactive oxygen species in target tissues. This removal triggers the expression of genes that significantly boost mitochondria production in the stem cells. Stem cells are naturally equipped to share mitochondria, but in these experiments they had an abundance of power stations to share, enhancing the recharging effect on other cells. The researchers reported that around 2 times more mitochondria were shared than expected. In heart cells exposed to damaging chemotherapy, the survival rate of the treated cells improved significantly. The researchers suggest this approach could rejuvenate cells anywhere in the body, potentially addressing cardiovascular problems or muscular dystrophy. Geneticist John Zucker notes, "It's pretty promising in terms of being able to be used for a whole wide variety of cases, and this is just kind of the start. But here's where it gets controversial. While the current study shows promise in using nanoparticles to enhance mitochondria transfer, the next step involves testing this in animals and humans. Future tests will determine the best ways to implement this technology and its long-term impacts. This is an early but exciting step toward recharging aging tissues using their own biological machinery," says Gaharwar. "If we can safely boost this natural power-sharing system, it could one day help slow or even reverse some effects of cellular aging." The research has been published in PNAS. What are your thoughts on this revolutionary research? Do you think this technology could change the future of medicine? Share your opinions in the comments below.